Yeah, we'll back outside again. See you later, Dad. There's a big bacon there. Yeah, still snow. Look at that one. Yeah, you can see my place. It ain't buried yet. Getting there. Holy crap, is this stuff hard to walk through. Look at the size of this bag here. Definitely got some snow. Holy crap. Well, I borrowed sugar from Dad. I fixed Dad's hot water tank. I got it wired back up. It only took about 10 minutes. So he's got hot water again. Now to make it back home. 500 feet don't seem like a long ways, but it's kind of pain in the ass. Oh, that guy's almost buried. Oh, this is going to be fun if I get a snowblower to drag it down. I hope we don't lose power. Lose power, that's going to really suck. I got a generator that'll power the whole place, but it's in that garage. And I got a cable that'll only reach halfway there. And you say shit? You can see, I was just up here. It's been about maybe 15 minutes. The snow, it snowed so much and it's blowing so hard, you can't even see my tracks hardly. It's all filled right back in. Hey, there's the chimney to the pellet stove. Almost buried. Alright, let's see if I can make it to the door. Holy crap. Right there, up to my knees. If I step down too hard, I'll be up to my shoulders. We might only get 20 inches or so of snow, but some of these drifts are 4 feet high, 4 feet deep. Yeah. Well, I'm going inside. Later, people.